In this question, we are looking for three other angles with the same cosine value as 35 degrees. So when I have my angle here and its terminal point with coordinates xp, yp, and I know that cosine values, the cosine of this angle is equal to its x coordinates, xp in this case. Now remember that of course this terminal point P is not the only point with x coordinates xp. When we read the coordinates, we know that there is another point on that side which has the same x coordinates as P. And if I make my terminal line over here, and knowing the symmetry of this reflection, I know that this measure of this angle here is also 35 degrees. So we have right away actually an answer to this question, since this terminal point is also having x coordinate the same as point P. Then this angle that we measure clockwise to negative direction here, negative 35 degrees, will have exactly the same cosine value as positive 35 degrees. So there you have your first angle, negative 35 degrees will have exactly the same cosine value as positive 35 degrees. Now, which other two angles are we looking for? We can, for instance, going to the positive angle direction, we can try and reach the other terminal line here. So then I will go all the way to the other terminal line with this endpoint. So what is the size then of this angle? Then clearly we will have almost one round minus 35 degrees in the positive direction, counterclockwise. So our answer is 325 degrees positive. The next one, the next angle or the last angle in this matter, we will have in the negative direction. We can go all the way to the terminal line with terminal point P. So then remember, I have to measure my angle from the x positive axis, and this time I will go to the negative direction, which is clockwise, and reach this terminal line with terminal point P with the same x coordinate as 35 degrees angle, of course. So then in this case, then I will have the same size as before, 360 degrees minus 35 degrees. However, this time I have gone clockwise, which means I will have a negative angle. So then the answer will be negative 325 degrees. So there you have your three angles with the same cosine value as positive 35. We have negative 35, positive 325, and negative 325 degrees.